Large keys on Lenovo laptops, like Enter, Space, and Shift, often fail due to heavy use, spills, or debris. Common issues include sticky keys, keycap detachment, or a broken scissor mechanism underneath. This video will guide you through diagnosing and fixing these problems to extend your laptop's life and save money. Before you begin, gather these tools: a plastic keycap puller, a small screwdriver set, replacement keycaps available from Lenovo or third-party suppliers, compressed air, and isopropyl alcohol. Power off your laptop and disconnect all peripherals to prevent damage during the repair. Carefully use the keycap puller to gently pry off the damaged key. Start at one corner to avoid snapping the keycap or damaging the scissor mechanism. Start at one corner of the key to begin the removal process. Gently pry the keycap upward, working around the edges. For larger keys, note the position of any stabilizer bars connected to the keycap. Once the keycap is removed, use compressed air to clean the switch housing, removing any dust or debris. If there's sticky residue, gently clean with a cotton swab dampened with isopropyl alcohol, ensuring it's completely dry before proceeding. Begin by aligning the new keycap directly above the switch mechanism. Make sure the cross-shaped connector on the keycap underside matches the switch housing. With the keycap aligned, apply gentle downward pressure to snap it into place. You should hear or feel a click as it secures. Verify that the retainer clips underneath the keycap have engaged with the switch. These small plastic hooks prevent the key from popping off. For large keys like Space or Enter, ensure the stabilizer bars are correctly seated in their guides before pressing the keycap down completely. Once everything is positioned, press the keycap down firmly to complete the installation. Test the key to ensure it works smoothly. After installing the replacement key, test its functionality. Press the key multiple times to ensure it's responsive and doesn't stick. If the key feels uneven or wobbly, recheck the alignment and stabilizer bar placement. When troubleshooting issues with your replacement key, start by checking if the keycap is fully seated on the switch mechanism. Next, examine the scissor mechanism for any damage or misalignment that could prevent proper key function. If the key still doesn't work, the underlying switch may be faulty and need professional repair. Important warning: avoid excessive force when installing keys, as this can damage the delicate keyboard membrane. To prevent future key failures on your Lenovo laptop, maintain regular preventative care. Start by cleaning your keyboard weekly with compressed air to remove dust and debris that can cause keys to stick. Avoid eating or drinking near your laptop to prevent accidental spills that can damage the keyboard mechanism. Consider using a keyboard protector, a thin plastic cover that shields your keys from spills, dust, and wear. If a spill does occur, act quickly. Immediately power off the laptop, disconnect it from power, and turn it upside down to let liquid drain. Use a dry cloth or compressed air to remove moisture, and let it dry completely for 24 to 48 hours before testing. By following these preventative maintenance steps, you can significantly extend the life of your Lenovo laptop's keyboard and avoid the need for costly repairs or replacements.